having their tea too.
All the elephants are having their tea too, and who are they waiting for?
I should wait for that animal to come.
Oh, okay. Where are the animals going?
Were they going to the city? I think look at them, and all the elephants are having tea. All of them are having tea. All the elephants are having their tea too. I think she's waiting. I think he's waiting for his mommy to come.
Oh, they're waiting for their mommies to come.
I should wait for a little green elephant to come.
Oh, good. And,
I think he's waiting for his mommy to come.
and where are all of these animals on the boat going?
Well, are all the animals on the boat to go?
Hi.
Well, where are they going? Where are they going boat?
Where are they going on the boat? I don't know.
City.
To the city. What are they doing in the city?
What are they doing at the city? I should want to get the dog to pick the plate for.
Whoops, I think their teacup knocked over.
I think he's going to bring. I think going to bring him some more for his plate to eat.
Oh, okay.
I think they're very thirsty. I think they have to put the corn right there.
Excuse me.
And the coin right there.
Oh, are they going to eat some of those coins?
I think I'm going to put them right on the coins to eat it.
Okay.
But I think this is eating his food over there.
Oh, good elephant.
I think we're going to put a little top.
Oh, good. You're putting the lid on the teapot. That's very good. You're doing a little cleanup.
I think they're going to have. I should all have the food.
Okay. All right. We'll say bye-bye, elephants. Bye, animals.